lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing really good today. Welcome back to my channel. I'm popping in to give you guys a little update on Star Lashes by Odette because I still do get lots of DM. But before we get into that part of the video, I just want to tell you guys something that made my day. This made my day. I am not quite sure if you guys are familiar with this show called ABSANTIA. It's a series on Prime, and Stana Katic, she is the executive producer for the show, and she's also starring in the show as well. And you guys probably don't know who she is, but she played a lead detective in a show called Castle. The show ran for 9 seasons, and then the season ended. That was an amazing show. And anyway, so she starred, again, executive produced this show called ABSANTIA. This is about an FBI agent who went missing, and she found herself in a tank of water, and she was missing for 6 years. And her husband, of course, remarried to this girl called Alice, I think was her name, and she has a son named Flynn. So the husband, the ex-husband, got a phone call telling him exactly where she was. They found her, and then the story began to unfold. This story is just really dark and gothic and tense and exciting and thrilling. And it's just like nail-biting. It is so good. You guys have to watch that series. It only ran for 3 seasons, and then the season ended, which I'm really sad about, because there is just so much more to tell about the characters in that show. Anyways, I'm going to leave the name of the TV series in the description box for you guys, so please check it out. It's in Prime. So let me tell you exactly what made my day. I tweeted about the show. If you guys follow me on Twitter, you will see exactly what I tweeted. And so I got this notification that Stana Katic liked your tweet. And I was like, what? I was just really surprised that she actually saw my tweet and she liked it. I was like, this really made my day. How awesome is that? Because many times, you will tag somebody, you're gonna, whatever, and then nobody will respond to you. But I wasn't looking for a response. I just basically said a few things in that tweet. If you follow me, again, like I said on Twitter, you will see exactly what I said. And so many people liked that tweet, and I was just so pleased that she was one of them, because it tells you can see their faces, whomever liked your tweet, and it says Stana Katic liked your tweet, and it was like, oh, thanks Stana, now we're friends. Now you and I are friends. You like my tweet. It's about you. That was just really something. That really made my day. Anyhow, so we're going to talk about my I know, that was really exciting. So we are going to talk about my brand. I'm getting a lot of questions, DM still, about my brand. I'm getting questions for 2 of the styles of lashes, and that's Joy and Chance. I had done videos on Romeo, Faith, and Just Girly. Those videos will be linked below for you guys to go check it out. I'm going to leave Joy in the card so you can check it out as well. A lot of questions, which is the same. Can I wear Joy with my glasses? Of course you can. 100%, 1000%. Hands down, you can put Joy on your eyes. She's not going to touch the lenses at all. You can wear her with your glasses, not a problem. She looks a little full when you're looking at her, but when you put her on, she gives you this beautiful, natural look. It looks like somebody who just has naturally long lashes. It is so pretty, and you can definitely wear her with your glasses, not a problem. Because someone said to me, I'm getting married in 2 months and I wear glasses, and I want my makeup artist to put lashes on my eyes, but I don't want the lashes to be too long. I want to wear my glasses with my lashes. And she already placed an order for a bunch of these. And I said, you are not gonna go wrong. I said, you can wear your lashes with pride, and you can wear your glasses with joy. You know what I mean? No pun intended. And so I said, it's going to be fantastic for you. She's very low on the inside, flares nicely on the outside, but she's really short. She really makes your eye look so beautiful, so natural. That's the reason behind this particular style. Chance is also new to my collection, just recently. I am wearing Chance on my eyes. You cannot, let let me repeat myself, you cannot wear Chance with your glasses. Please remember, and I want you guys to watch the videos to the end and just listen to what I'm saying, okay? You can buy Chance, put it on your eyes, just don't put your glasses on, because she's definitely going to touch your lenses because she's a little bit longer. This is what Chance looks like. Let me bring her really close so you can see it. This is Chance, okay? Much longer, much fuller, a little bit more thick because I'm wearing her on my eyes today. Although she's on my eyes, I can see the length of her, but my eyes still looks very, very natural. And the lashes are not touching my eyebrows, and because I don't like to wear lashes like that, I can still see my eyeshadow, I can still see the blue in the corner of my eyes. This is what these lashes are going to do for you. So I do have, again, videos on Just Girly, Faith and Romeo. I do have videos on all of these individual lashes. I'm going to leave them in the description box for you to please go check it out and just watch the videos to the end so you can understand what I'm saying, because I stand behind my brand. I stand behind what the brand stands for. I stand behind what I say, how you are going to look when you wear these lashes. And I have a reputation to maintain, so I have to be very specific for what I'm saying to you guys, okay? And when you place your orders, doesn't matter which one you place your orders for, you will be receiving 2 of them. If you want, if you order Joy, 2 Joy. If you want Joy and Chance, you can mix them up however you want. As long as you place an order, you're going to be getting 2 of them. Okay, and that's it for today's video. I do hope you guys enjoyed this little update, and please check out that TV show. You guys are not going to sleep for days. You're going to be watching every single episode until the end. That's what I did. Thank you for watching. My name is Odette. I shall catch you next time. Bye.